Welcome back. On today's episode we're gonna fit some spark plugs and we're gonna see coils, stuff like that. Make sure there's a way of telling which plugs. There's two different types of plugs, so you know which ones go where, the leading and the trailing. And we're hopefully gonna fit the engine. Probably gonna struggle. That's my drawing there. That's the engine. I know it's not triangle outside, but it's triangle inside. And that's me. That's me, yeah. And this is the Rx8, so yeah, the engine's just going to go up and down and straight in. Yeah, let's get to it. Right, so you get two different kinds of spark plugs. You got a leading and a trailing. So the easy way to tell is this one says L, this one says T, and also on the block you can see it says T and L, which is pretty self-explanatory. So we'll fit the plugs and then I'll show you how to get the leads right. Bit of a copper slip round the thread so you can easily get it out. So this is an L, so we'll go in the L port, the leading one, like that. We have got a T, a bit of copper on the threads. If you get these the wrong way around, you'll probably find that your rotor will probably hit the spark plug because there is one longer than the other, so you need to watch that. When you're tightening, you just want to go, you'll feel it compress, and when it compresses just give it about a quarter turn, about that. There's like a crushable washer on the spark plug, so you will feel it. You can see it's just, I don't feel any tension just now. Still screwing it in. Fucking get it in the hole. Oh, there we go. So that's it, starting to compress there. The washer. That's it, pretty tight there. So we'll give it a little bit, and that's it. Right there. And about there. Right, so plugs. This is rotor 1, if you want to call it the rotor, or the cylinder. No, don't call it a cylinder. Oh, there'll be loads of comments. This is number 1, this is number 2, so that's where the flywheel is. So number 2 is closest to the flywheel, and number 1 is closest to the front of the engine. The rotor, whatever. So you have on your leads, you should have L1 and T1. So you're just going off this again, trailing, leading. So the leading one goes to the first one. You've got your 90-degree bend. It goes on to there. Make sure it's nice and snug. So this is L1, so this is rotor 1. This is L1 here, so it goes on to there. Make sure it clicks in place. T1, so it goes next. It's always going to be leading, trailing, and then so on. So T1, this is T1. Make sure it clicks on. And then leading 2, L2. So that goes on to here. Make sure it's on good. And you've got L, and this is number 2. So it clicks onto the bottom. Then you got T2, so clip it onto here. And then T2, boom, done. Now you can clip them all onto your thingy here. there you have it. That's how you do the coils and everything on our rotary. Tally ho! Up and away! Go this way. Oh, you don't want to go that way because this thing's. Ah, God's sake. I'm fucking the wrong way around. Okay, you can let it down there. Oh yeah, by myself. Okay. Down. Can't see shit. Is it looking good? I think so. Oh, that modification on that bar is amazing. Go further in. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Down. Yeah. I think so. Oh my God. Not a knife. This is a knife. That was a terrible Australian accent. I'm sorry, I won't do that again. So I skipped a couple steps, but we have got everything pretty much connected without having a radiator in. Got my 2 bolts here, and I've got 2 tie wraps here around the pole. The bar that I put in. So this is not gonna move now. That's really secure. ECU's back in. I think this is the barometric something. It kind of does your how high you are in the world. If you're flat, then you don't go very high. No, I don't know. This thing I don't know, but you need to keep it anyway. That's what I've been told. And I've been told to keep the standard airbox because it gives you more power, supposedly. So we'll leave it like that. I just need to put in my engine bolts on each side, down there. Connect up some more pipes. Good to go. I've blanked off this one with a bolt, and then I've put the other one here to here. I've just connected them with a hose that I had. So yeah. And then the other breather on here is for the vacuum. So the last one, this is the only one that's going to go to the catch can, I think. So yeah, I need to put on the last bit of the wiring loom as well, so I'll do that just now. Okay, that's me done for today with the Rx8. Engine's in, just need to do exhaust and radiator, and then we can pretty much start up after that. So cool, see you later.